So I got a little bit later start than I wanted to, thanks to the storm. But you know, welcome back to the channel. We're working on junk, and in the last episode, we worked on completely refreshing the interior. And I've done a little bit more since, but let me show you where we currently sit. Let's backtrack a little bit because I didn't explain anything in the video because I was cutting it down to interest of time. That and I tend to ramble, so now it's less rambling. We ended up painting the car entirely with 2X Ultra Matte White. This was kind of our primer base, just to try and give us a better chance at adhesion all over the inside of the car. Mainly the back, because the back wasn't scuffed and whatever. There were some sections where we did some wire wheel. Those were mainly the sections where we were trying to get the sound deadening up. The top coat that we did was this Rust-Oleum satin enamel. It's also semi-gloss, but that's pretty much the top coat all throughout the car except on the floor pans where the seats go. And that's because instead of using enamel, we used Raptor liner. Dirty because I've been getting in and out of the car. I pulled these bars out when it was raining. Just did like a real quick black 2X. Those bars are going to be exposed to some degree because I've removed the whole bottom section of the dash. Like there was a structure here that connected to like the center console and to that structure to support it. But because race car, I deleted it because we're not putting the radio there. It's going to be JDI Ghost Box, the hidden Bluetooth receiver. So I wanted to make sure that the bars weren't that rusty zinc brown coated color, whatever. So we just hit it with some black real quick, threw it together. The next step is we gotta get the dash back in, and this is gonna change everything. So I've been itching to do this step. So let's get the masking off the windshield and get the dash in. It looks so freaking good. Like I missed a little bit of paint right there. I'm not gonna do anything about it because I don't want to pull this back out. I mean, I might have to, but for like a couple different things, but holy shit. Look at it. We're not done yet. I got one more thing. This is gonna be a shorter video, I believe. But I got one more thing I gotta show you that's gonna make this interior freaking pop. And there goes all my sockets. Hey, get back here. Get back here, you little shit. Dude, every socket on that literally just jumped off. Every single one. Not one of them. The other one's on. Alright. I have something else to show you. Alright, so I don't know how I'm going to be able to set these up without showing you, so I may as well just show you what we got for the hatch. So, these are Corbeau Forza sport seats, and when it comes to seats, these are probably one of the more affordable options out there on the market. Along with some of this, Recaro has some other seats as well. However, I was under the impression, or I forget where I heard it, but somebody said that they weren't very comfortable to sit in. So I got these. These were pretty cheap when it comes to seat prices. I had to buy, you buy your seat brackets separate, then you buy these. These have 5-hole seat things. So down here in the bottom, right here, you have an extra hole for a 5-point, so you aren't submarining out of your car, which is something that's kind of important when you're doing street stuff. So really, for race, it's just important to have. So I got these. They seem pretty rad. I want to get them in the car, so we're gonna flip them upside down, get the bases out, and go try them out in the car, see what it looks like. Yeah, something like that. These also come with sliders, and they seem pretty low profile. So this one is the driver's side. Thing around it. So far, off to kind of a rough start here because the bolts didn't line up with the bracket that is also made by them. So I had to go drill out the holes a little bit just to give us a little bit of adjustment so we can get it lined up properly. You'd think with them making both the bracket and the seat that this would be on the money. This is with max tension after I bored it out from a 5/16 to a 3/8. So right here, if you look in there, it's like I have to like press it, although like I'm putting tension on it to line up right there. This is after I've already drilled it out. Apparently there's gonna be some like fitting struggles. There you go. God, these things are stiff. Look at this. This is insane. Look at this. What the hell is this? Look how off-center that hole is. I'm probably gonna have to call Corbeau in the morning and chew their asses out because this is the most basic bullshit installation instructions. They don't even line up. We're gonna start fresh. This is the passenger side mount. We're gonna take this, just like so. They want you to start with the front, according to their instructions. This one's even worse. I can't even see the same hole. This is terrible. So here's the hole for this side, right? So if I take this and I put this bolt in right here, press it in if I can, because the slot's in my way. Lord knows they don't poke a hole, they just ram it through. Right. So now we have a bolt in there, right? What the is that? So I'm going to put together some pictures and shit for Corbeau because both of these are equally Alright, so after bitching at Corbeau about the bases, they basically instructed me that these front bolts are the bolts that hold the slider to the base right here, that if you loosen these, you can get it. They were right. However, I had to take a ratchet strap and basically damn near taco the entire base into half just to get the measurement that I needed, and it was just kind of a pain. So if you're doing this yourself, the best way to do this is loosen all 4 bolts and then do the rears, then the fronts, or vice versa. And when you got them all in, then just go back and bolt them in. You're gonna need a stubby wrench, like one of these. Something that's short that you can get in there kind of from the side, because there's not a lot of room in the front because of the bolsters. So we're ready to rock, and we're gonna go get them, put them in the car, because that's what we're trying to do in this video, right? And now we get to sit in them for the very, very first time in junk. Oh, I like this a lot. We're gonna need a quick disconnect wheel, for sure. I'm so glad this part's done. I'm so glad. So glad. Alright, now we just gotta do the electrical, charge piping, bleed the brakes, finish off the doors, and get some tires. We just got back from camping, so don't mind her jammy.
Hi! Woo. Oh my god.
What do you think?
Nice.
Yeah?
Really nice. Comfy. Ooh, I like the butt.
Remember when we were sitting on them in the house, and it was like, I felt like there was a little bit too much pressure on the back of the leg.
Oh, this was
It's
nice.
gone now.
Yeah.
Because now you have the jerk of the leg, so you got... You don't have to do that, you're faster.
I know.
You don't have to pedal.
I know.
So...
It still feels good on the butt.
Yeah, it does. And it's...
Yeah.
You have grit, which is going to be really dope going around the freeways and shit. What do you think of the dash?
I love the dash. It looks original.
Yeah, it looks like it was made this way.
Just like that. It's better than my dash.
I'm really liking the bezel, this piece. I kind of want to paint this so that it gets rid of all of the indicators. Because if you look, those ones got painted. The little dots, they're gone. So, and then all this stuff's gone too. Like all the markings and stuff. So, and then we still got the...
Oh yeah.
The luxury of sliding.
Up
And then
and
the
down.
shifter will sit right here. I gotta check and see if it's gonna fit just fine. I haven't even tried the shifter in the car. Well, obviously with these, but these go in back like that, so the shifter goes right here. But, oh man, this has been... How long have I had these seats?
Like 2 weeks?
I think it's been longer than 2 weeks, but it feels like it's been like a month.
It has.
And I've been itching to get them in this car, and then I just decided to paint the whole fucking car for no reason other than haha. I'm super stoked. What do you think of the paint job?
Paint job is nice. Makes it look like a brand new
Car inside?
Yeah.
It's dope, huh?
It's so nice.
I'm really digging the race car look.
I love all the white, how white it is. It's like inside of a car, like a toy car.
Plastic.
Like
It looks like plastic back
Yes.
there. So, cool, huh? And yeah, so if you like the interior modifications, like this video. If you want to see more of this kind of cool crap where I spend way too much money on junk, let me know in the comments below. You should probably go check out the EG Hatch playlist on the channel if you want to see what else we've done in terms of spending way too much money on this car, because this car has gotten pretty much all the trick bells and whistles aside from it being a Sonic 203 build. But currently we need to finish all the light wiring, or wiring in general. We need to get tires, we need to do the EVAP hose, brake booster hose, we need to do charge pipes, we need to get seat belts, we need to tighten the booster, which comes with putting back all the crap that I took out to do this project. Make sure our brake lines are good, bleed them, whatever. We got the seats in, that's done. Cage is much later. Door panels, we gotta do a whole thing with that. And I got ways to do that now, so we're gonna do that. I have gauges already, but I need to wire them. Boost controller I need to wire, and exhaust we need to figure that out because we're not gonna do hood dump forever. So aside from that, I think we're good, right?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, so thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one where hopefully it's not so hot or humid or Florida. This isn't Florida, this is Arizona. I'm gonna take some pictures, put them on the gram for the clout, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.